Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For the people who have already subscribed my channel and for the people who have recently found my channel, a hearty welcome to this channel. I am Padharthi Yashwardhan. I am an electronic enthusiast, electronic engineer who likes to work with different electronic circuits and experiment with the different types of electronic circuits. Circuits. Now, I also have a good knowledge in different programming languages. So nowadays in this series, I will be explaining about different some of the common interview questions that are asked in the Python programming. So now today's program is we are given there is one sentence that we are given. In the sentence, we need to return the number of time a particular word is repeated. That is, if I am saying there is one statement, let us say today is a today is a sunny day. If this is my statement, then I should get today. For today, I need to get one. For sunny day, one. I need to get how many times each word is repeated in the sentence. To do this, first of all, we need to take input from the user. So let me take that. For that, I will write input underscore sentence is equals to input of enter a sentence. Okay. This is the input. Now, once a input sentence has been inputted, now I need to write a function where I will be counting the number of words, number of times each word is repeated. To do that, just I will write words, sorry, or let's say frequency underscore word is equals to count underscore word underscore frequency of input underscore sentence. That is, I am going to be sending this into into a function name. This is the user function that I am going to be define. I have written the function now. Now let us define this function. To do this, I will write define count underscore word underscore frequency of, let's say it is sentence. Yeah. You all, if you have observed my previous video, you easily know what is this talking about. Here, the count word underscore frequency is the name of the user function, and it is taking a parameter called sentence, which is nothing but a string that we will be inputting. Now let us do this. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to take the string and we need to in order to normalize it, we need to first convert it into all lower cases. That is, like sometimes when you write, we write the first letter after the full stop as capital letter. But I doesn't want. I want to keep everything in a equal sign. So I just want to convert into lowercase. So I just write sentence is equals to sentence dot lower. First, I will convert all the words into its lowercase. Now, once we have converted, now I need to separate all the different words that are present in the sentence. To do that, I just say word is equals to sentence dot split. Now, the dot split function, what it does is it takes a sentence and it breaks down the sentence into different words, and each of these words is stored as a element of a list. That is what we are doing. Next, I need to create a dictionary where I will be storing the word and the number of times it is repeated. That frequency is nothing but word underscore frequency is equals to, as it is empty, we will just leave it as it is. Next. Next, we need to write a for loop. That is, we need to go for each and every word in this list. So let's name this as words. So for word in words, for every word in this words, what we need to do is this is the thing. Yeah, that is what is this while loop is. We have already defined a list called words, right? We are taking each and every word that we are stored as a list, and we are telling them, for let us suppose today is a Friday day, today is the first word, right? I say for today in word, I have taken that word. Now once I did this, now I will check if that word is already present in my dictionary or not. If it is already present, I just need to increment its count. If it's not present, I need to assign the value of that word to be 1. To do that, I will check if my word is in word underscore frequency. Okay, underscore frequency. If this is the case, what should I do is in the word underscore frequency dictionary, for that word, I need to increment its value. To do that, I will just write increment by 1. That's it. Else, if the word is a new word in the dictionary, then I just need to do one thing. Let me do it. It is nothing but then I need to write word underscore our frequency of that word is nothing but 1. That is the first, it's the first instance of that word. And the next time the same word is assigned, we need to do this. And once this is done, we need to return the value. So it is nothing but return word underscore our frequency. So once this is done, now what is this? Now this word underscore frequency dictionary is written to frequency word. Now we need to print it. To do this, I just write the output as print of frequency underscore word. That's it. This is a very simple code that we can write to check this. Now let us run this and we will see the output. First, there is no error in this code. Now first it will do it. Let me take today is let's take a small statement like today is a good day to start our class on Python. We will learn how to use Python to find to find the frequency of words. If this is my thing and I did this, now I press enter. See, you have observed that it has written that the word today is repeated 1 time and the word two is repeated 3 times. This is the dictionary that we wanted to print and we got this. So that's it. So now this is very much useful and this is asking some of the interviews where the interviewer wants to know whether you have good knowledge in working with you working with dictionaries or not. So this is a very simple code that where we are taking a sentence, we are splitting the sentence into word, and then we are initializing a dictionary, and in that dictionary we are storing each and every word and how many times it is being repeated. This is the very thing. I hope you have gained a good understanding about how it is working and how you can use this in your own thing. Next, but sometimes you may have a doubt that, okay, Yashwardhan, this is good, but what if we don't want, if there are some punctuation marks, let us say there's a full stop here, then I think you may observe, as I have not given any space here, you can observe the full stop is not there. But this is the very thing. Sometimes they tend to increase the level a little bit and they ask us to remove the punctuation marks. Now, if they ask us to remove the punctuation mark, then that what we can do is the code, the entirety of this code will be the same. Only thing is we need to add a little bit statement. To do this, we need to add 2 lines of more. One thing is first I need to import a package called import re. This is a very small thing I need to do. And then after I did this, I need to write sentence is equals to re dot sub r hyphen sorry r let me see this. Yeah, r hyphen of brackets open. I need comma hyphen comma sentence. This is used to remove all the punctuation marks in the thing. Where RE is nothing but it is a regex library that we'll be using in order to remove all these punctuation marks if you want. Otherwise, you can avoid that also. That is, if I want to add these punctuation marks, I can do this. Otherwise, I will just comment them. If you're if if then the interview if they ask us, yeah, okay, okay, candidate. Now your thing is over, but I don't want any punctuation mark. Then you need to write this command, which is called hashtag import re, which is for regex library, and then can use reject dot sub of. Then we can write this small statement, which is removing all the punctuation marks, and in the place of punctuation mark, we just need to leave it as without any space. We need to just attach the next word, and we can do it. And then the word sentence. If anyone asks, you need to write this. Otherwise, you can just comment that. So this is an extra line that you can add in your program in order to give an impression that your if you want to remove all the punctuation marks also. Like if you, for example, in the given word, there it is not considering the punctuation marks. Like you may observe here somewhere, we can remove the C. For example, without that sentence, if you can see here, for Python it is taken Python dot. That is different. And see here, this is the thing that happens if we are not including those two lines. Here what happens is that as I have given here Python and without space I kept it as dot. See, it is taking that this as one word and then it has taken this as another word. Now, so what it does is it obviously it returns you the value, but the problem is it is taking the punctuation mark also. To in order to avoid the punctuation mark, you can just you need to just include these two lines. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you need to include these two lines. Now let us let me copy this input word. Okay, and now let us execute it again. First, I will execute this. Then I will execute this. Next, I will execute this. And the input, I will just copy this. Copy the previous input. Now you can see. Here in the previous thing, you see the word Python is taken as two different. Here this Python dot is taken as one word and the word Python without dot is taken as another word. That is, this is taken as a different word and this is taken as a different word. But now if I included those two lines, you can observe both are considered the same thing and you are getting the word of Python as 2. So now I hope friends you have gained a good understanding about how can you write a simple Python program in order to return the number of each the frequency of each word used in the sentence. If you have any doubt you are free to comment me in the comment section below, and also do let me know of your reaction to my to this series. If you are feeling it's good, you can convey that in the messages, in the comments, so that I get feel motivated to grant you more such videos in the future also. Thank you, friends, and thank you, friends, and have a nice day. And I will meet you again in a new video with a new concept. Until then, bye.